Life, as we know it, begins the moment you walk down that aisle and say, I do. My mother was on my neck to get married. Society said I was getting older. They all said, get married, get married, get married. Marriage is the ultimate. Blah, blah, blah. But what my mother and society never told me that I wish they did was that marriage is freaking hard. Hard work and compromise. And more freaking hard work. Maybe I would have been much better prepared.
I have a presentation this morning and I'm running late already.
Hey, my friend, I'm going to crazy visit today with work and meeting.
Trisha can babysit him while you work and attend your meetings. I'll pick him up later, I promise.
Hey, no. Take him to work like you always do.
I can't. You will disrupt my presentation. Michael, I'm begging you, please.
Sophia, I said no.
Okay, fine. Whatever.
Sophia? Sophia?
Hey, babe.
Where are you?
On my way to the office.
I told you I have a busy schedule today and you still went ahead and left the baby behind.
Brian is your baby. Don't sound like I was already pregnant for another man before you married me.
Sophia, you don't expect me to take a 6-month-old baby to work.
That 6-month-old baby is your son, Michael. Your son. You're the CEO of your company. You can do whatever you like and nobody will question your authority.
Drive back home now, Sophia.
Hey, mister. Don't take that tone with me. I will not have it. Huh? I'm thinking of that baby since he was born. I never complained for one day. Thinking of it for just one day will not kill you. One doesn't have to do everything.
Don't play feminism with me, Sophia. You know how much I hate that.
Enough said, Michael. Driving. Bye.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Tricia. Any calls?
Yes, sir. Mr. Davis called 4 times this morning. He wants to know if the meeting scheduled for 10 a.m. is still on hold. Mr. Uche called also. He wants to know if the meeting for 2 p.m. is still holding. The chairman of Galaxy Limited called. He wants to have a meeting with you this morning. That's if you're free.
Counsel Mr. Davis and Mr. Uche. Call the chairman of Glaxon Limited and tell him I would love a meeting with him too. Call Glaxon and cancel the meeting. Reschedule it for tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Should I say cancel Mr. Uche and Mr. Davis?
Cancel all my meetings today.
Okay, sir. I think you need to wear him a diaper.
Oh, you know about diapering? Lucky me. Here.
Babysitting. Exactly what I needed.
Michael and his. What's my nephew doing here? Is Sophia anywhere around this premises?
No. His dad is playing mom today.
Really? You're kidding me, right?
I wish.
Okay, is he in his office?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Mom.
Not funny.
So where did she go?
She says she's making a presentation at her office this morning.
Oh, really? At least I'm convinced you're going to make a better mom than Sophia, so I'm not scared.
Dude, don't make it sound like I'm babysitting someone else's child. He's my son.
I didn't mean it that way, okay? Alright, I just go back to my office. Okay. And good luck with the whole babysitter thing. Don't worry.
How was your day?
Fine.
Good to know. That's my baby. Okay. Do it. I'm ready.
Do what?
You were infuriated. You want to give me hell. You want to scold me. Go ahead and do it.
Scold you? I don't want to scold you, Sophia. I want to kill you.
Okay. That's going beyond your limit.
Do you know what you did today? You ruined my day. I cancelled important meetings because my wife had to make some stupid presentation at her office.
Michael, do you know you are very ungrateful? I do the cleaning, laundry, cooking, and tending to our son. I do all the work in this house alone. I never complained for once. What's the for just one day and you're acting like I gave you a big task?
Yes, you gave me a big task. Do you know how humiliated I felt today that my wife had to make some presentation while I cancelled important meetings to watch over our son? We do not feed on your salary. You don't pay the bills. Do not walk out on me when I am talking.
I pick my battles, Michael. And this is just not one of them.
27 missed calls. Good Lord. Hello, Tricia. Sorry I missed your calls. What? Mr. Hand from Glaxon is in my office. Okay. Alright. Tell him I'll be with him soon. See, they missed again. Can you see? Can you see? You go bad in this game, and for draw, you go dead really bad.
Calm down. Everything will be delivered fresh.
Michael, I need you to feed Brian while I do laundry.
No, Sophia, no. I am watching a football game. I cannot feed the baby and watch football. And this is an important match that I cannot afford to miss. Please.
Michael, I cannot feed the baby and do laundry at the same time.
Sophia, feed the baby first and then do laundry later. It's that simple.
Feed the baby first and watch football later. It's that simple too.
Hey! Please, help me.
Hey, listen. If I wake up one morning and say I want to get married, grab a gun and shoot me.
Hey, what's the meaning of what you just did out there? Sophia, I am talking to you.
You are talking to me about what? Huh? About the fact that you cannot feed your own son? Because of some stupid football game? Like what the heck? Who says shit like that?
Sophia, you are becoming too much of a control freak and I cannot contend with that. You seriously need to stop.
Michael, I am not going to suffer in silence. You don't help around the house. You don't contribute at all to the household chores. I cook, clean, do the laundry, feed the baby, and feed you too. This is not what I signed up for, Michael. This is not what I hoped for.
What were you hoping for? What were you fantasizing about? A man in an apron doing the dishes and cleaning the house? Wake up, honey. You are in Africa.
I did not marry you to be your maid. I am not going to do the dishes, sweep the house, feed the baby while you sit around in your boxers and watch TV like some lazy drunk. This is a partnership. We are in it together. Every responsibility has to be shared 50-50. I'm done doing everything alone.
50-50? Including the bills?
Oh, I am up for anything, Michael.
You are insane.
I'm insane? I am insane? You will say an insane woman behaves. will see how an insane woman behaves.
Michael Onyekwere, you will see what an insane woman looks like!
Stop putting this damn pillow between us.
I would have to be dead before I let you anywhere near me tonight.
You did not just say that.
I said it, and you heard me loud and clear.
Sophia, you're my wife. I have the right to touch you whenever I want.
Oh, now I'm your wife because you want to touch me? I am no longer the maid who has to do all the house chores and take care of the baby.
Sophia, why are you being difficult?
You know who's being difficult between you and me?
You. Whatever strife we're having in this marriage is your damn fault. And until you start to treat me like an equal partner, we will continue to have problems.
Good night.
I'm going to the supermarket. I needed to watch him for like 1 hour. I'll be right back.
Michael, I am going to the supermarket. Could you please watch him for like an hour? I'll be right back. That's how I would say it.
If you are waiting for me to say please before you watch your own son, I'm afraid you may grow old waiting.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's the matter?
There is something I must tell you.
What?
I'm pregnant for Michael.
think, Sophia? He's either cheating on you with his secretary or he's going to cheat on you with his secretary.
That's ridiculous, Karen. Michael will never cheat on me. It's just a dream.
It's a sign, Sophia. I'm surprised you can't see that.
It's a stupid dream, not a sign.
Okay, if you think it's such a stupid dream, then why are you bothered?
I'm not bothered. I don't even know why I told you about the dream. I should have kept it to myself.
You're right. You shouldn't have told me.
Yeah, I shouldn't have told you.
And please don't tell me when it comes true too, okay?
It won't. Bye.
Bye. Dramatic.
Sophia, you are not the girl that cries.
Have you been crying?
Crying? No. I don't want to fight with you anymore.
Me too. Fighting with you is like fighting with my spirit.
My love, I am so sorry I've been so hypersensitive lately.
It's okay.
I love you.
I love you more.
Still working?
Babe,
Yeah.
Alicia said she saw you today.
She saw me today. Oh, yeah. I drove past the salon this afternoon, but I couldn't drop by to say hi because I was in a hurry.
That's not where she saw you.
Where did she see me?
She said she saw you at the eatery before that roundabout.
Oh, yeah. We had a meeting with some clients there.
We? She never told me she saw you with anyone.
I was with Trisha. We were meeting with clients.
Oh. Tricia. Your food is ready.
Sure.
Sophia, where I come from, a woman does not hit a man's head.
I see just one man and a boy here.
Now, on every level, that is very rude.
If you think that you're a man, prove it by putting a ring on Karen's finger. Stop wasting her time.
But she's not even complaining. And I don't even see how that is any of your business.
Well, she's complaining to me, so I made it my business.
Okay, guys, that's enough. Kelvin, you cannot fight with my wife. Sophia, you can't fight with my brother.
Noted.
Why aren't you at work?
I resigned this morning.
You resigned? Why, what happened?
Well, I heard that your sales manager's office is vacant. So I thought to myself, Sophia, your husband's sales manager's office is vacant. And you are so good at this stuff. Why don't you quit and go help him out?
Sophia, if you must know, the sales manager's job is very difficult. I mean, it's not something for women with kids.
I do not have kids. I have just one kid who happens to be your nephew. Plus, I was general manager at my old job for 4 years. I can do this job better than anyone.
You have the job. You can resume tomorrow.
Thanks, baby.
Okay, so if you want to settle it, let's go.
Bam!
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Of course, I know you well enough to know when something is wrong, so what's going on? Out with it. Yeah, I'm listening.
Kev, we've been dating for 2 years now, right?
Yeah, that much is true.
And we have not really talked much about our future together.
Oh, that.
I'm not getting any younger. Babe, what's your plan for us?
Baby, you see, it's not like...
Kelvin!
What?
Have I been wasting my time with
Oh,
you?
come on, no, baby. Come on. You know I love you, right? You know I love you very much, and you're the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. Come on, don't say that.
If you love me as much as you claim, then you should put a ring on this. Else I'll be forced to end this relationship.
Babe, honey, baby, listen, it's... In time, everything will be delivered fresh. Oh, come on, baby. You don't have to be like this, okay?
Look who's here.
So, Michael did not change his mind about making you his sales manager.
He wouldn't want his teeth kicked in by my spike heels.
You know, we could actually use some crazy Sophia around here.
Oh, get out.
One more thing. Stop advising Karen. Okay?
You come to work at 9:20 and my husband hasn't fired you?
I don't come to work by 9:20. I was held up in traffic.
Tricia, at my old job, I used to be at work as early as 6 a.m. I have a 7-month-old baby and I still go to work early. Let this never repeat itself.
It's almost, I promise.
Good.
Come on, baby, you know this, right?
Calvin, stop. Allow me, please. I got a lot of work to do.
Oh, come on, you know we run this company now. We can do that later. You know how it works around here, don't you?
Calvin, you need to be very careful. Now your sister-in-law is around.
Oh, come on, forget about Sophia. She doesn't even come in here. Hmm? I just want you to give me some sugar, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
My lipstick.
Oh, baby, you're gonna wear another one. Sure.
Get out.
Hey! Do you know he has a girlfriend? You know he has a girlfriend and you're still sleeping with him? You think he will leave his girlfriend of over 2 years for you? Are you that stupid?
I don't want him to leave her for me.
Then what do you want? Oh. You just enjoy sleeping with your boss? Or the extra cash he gives you? You are shameless. Get the hell out of my face. Get out!
Sophia is not what it seems.
Calvin, what kind of game do you think you're playing?
Okay.
If you don't want Karen anymore, tell her and stop making a fool out of her.
for the full answer for her. You know I love her.
If you love her, then stop messing around and settle down with her.
Sophia,
What?
you're not gonna tell, right?
I wish I could.
Everything we delivered fresh.
Yeah, morning, Kelly.
Sophia fired Tricia and Bethany.
She what? Why would she fire my secretary without telling me first?
I think Sophia's in a better position to answer that question.
I was wondering why Trisha hadn't shown up in the office this morning. Sophia, please, I need to see you in my office right now.
My fault.
Sophia, why did you fire my secretary without seeking my consent first?
Because I knew you would say no. I'm sorry.
And why did you fire my secretary?
Because why has a long tail?
Sophia, you cannot just fire anyone in this office without a strong reason.
Okay. So I watched this movie last night.
Wait, hold on. You're trying to tell me that you fired my secretary because of some dumb movie? Are you freaking kidding me?
Can you let me finish?
Fine, finish.
Thank you. In that movie, a man was cheating on his wife with his secretary. His wife found out and made him fire his secretary. The woman brought his sister to be her husband's secretary with the belief that her sister's presence would change her husband. But immediately her sister sat on that secretary's seat, she started sleeping with her husband. The woman found out, sent her sister away, and became her husband's secretary.
How touchy. I want my secretary back.
Sophia, there is plenty of work to be done in this office. We need those girls now more than ever.
I will handle every work that needs to be done until we hire new secretaries.
Baby, you can't be mom, manager, and secretary. The workload is going to be too much for you.
Michael, trust me, I can handle it.
I know you can handle it, but it is going to be very stressful.
Babe, I'm not afraid of stress.
Baby, why are you cleaning up this late?
This is the only time I have to do that. Brian is sleeping. Besides, I have to go to work early in the morning.
Look, go inside and rest. You look so tired. You are going to have a nervous breakdown if you're not careful.
I'm fine.
Stop saying you are fine. You are not fine. Eh? You cannot do all this work alone. You need someone to help out. Eh? Let's get a maid.
Babe, we don't need a maid. I mean, I can take care of everything myself. I'm fine.
Okay, if you say so. I received a call from Glaxon's head office this afternoon. They want me to come to Abuja on Friday and sign a contract.
Really?
Yes, really.
That's great news.
Very great news.
How long are you staying?
Just 3 days. 3 days only.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
That's really great news.
Yeah.
Finally, right?
You can tell me about it.
Andrea, I need your help.
You are very predictable. When you called me, I knew you needed something.
That doesn't sound like me. That sounds more like you. You're the one that calls only when you need something.
What do you want?
I need you to PA Michael for 3 days.
P.A. Michael. I am not available at the moment. Call me back when he becomes the president.
Andre, I'm not joking. This is serious business.
I'm not joking either.
Andre, I sponsored your first trip to Dubai. You owe me big time. You can't say no.
My friend's sister sponsored his first trip to America and she's not asking for favors.
Duh. I'm Sophia, not your friend's sister. When Sophia does you a favor, she expects you to return it when she needs one.
I'm not gonna do it for free.
Duh. Who said it was for free? Look, Michael is going to Abuja for 3 days. I need you to watch him closely for me. I hear Abuja girls are unrepentant side chicks. I don't want to take any chances, so those girls, they will steal your husband and flaunt him on Instagram.
Husband is extremely scarce. Girls are not smiling.
Yeah. Husbands are extremely scarce. Thanks to guys like you who populated the world.
I hope your husband gets snatched.
Stupid boy. Look, I'm serious, okay?
You need to just pay me for this section first of all. For giving you audience, Sophia. Oh. You don't know what you did to me last night.
Honey, I don't need to pay. I can do my thing myself. I'm very capable of doing my thing myself.
Baby, you need a PA. Every company executive needs a PA. You need someone to help you take your calls and do other stuff when you're busy.
I can take my calls myself.
Babe, you're going to Abuja. And the stress is going to be too much for you. Let Andre go with you. It's just for 3 days.
Okay, if it will make you happy.
Thanks, baby. I love you.
I love you more.
You sure it's not time for you to shake this thing?
Don't you find it attractive anymore? You've always loved it.
Maybe a little no. Okay, baby. Let's find out what the hell is about.
Hey, sis.
Hey, you. Where are you?
I'm in my room.
What about Michael?
He should be in his room.
Should? Andre, I am not paying you for his should. I'm paying you for he is. I want certainty.
I was at the bar with him. Then he said he was going to his room. So he should be in his room.
You're not sure, so go find out.
Find out what?
Go find out if he's in his room.
Sophia, it's 9:35.
I did not ask for the time. Go do your job. I paid for this. So stop sounding like you're rendering a free service. I'll call you back in 5 minutes.
Hey, Andre. Want something?
No, I just wanted to know if the TV in your room is working. Mine is not working.
Mine's working. Maybe you should call room service to come check it out. Or I can call them if you want.
No, I will call them. Okay. Good night.
Good night.
He's in his room.
What was he doing?
I don't know, I didn't enter.
What if it's a woman in the room?
I don't know.
You need to know. Go back and check.
Go back and check? Sophia, gosh, you sound crazy. I'm going to bed.
Andre, go back and check.
I called the room service, they're not picking up. There's this program I watch at 10, it's on. Can I watch it in your room?
Sure, no problem.
Can I change the channel?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Now I can sleep with my mind at ease. Come on, baby.
Where are you? I have a meeting in an hour's time, but we can quickly see before my meeting. Just wait around for me. I will join you in the next 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Hey.
Hey, Mr. Frank just called. He said he was trying to get you on the phone, but your phone was busy.
I was on the phone with a client. What did Mr. Frank want?
He was asking if we could reschedule today's meeting. Said something came up and he had to leave town.
Okay, I'll call him later. Right now, I am meeting with a client.
What client is that?
A new client.
Hey, Kev. Please, Brian is sleeping in Michael's office. Can you watch him while I go out to get his baby food?
I'm busy.
Kevin, please. I won't be long.
Look, I really like to, watch over your offspring. But like I said, I'm busy.
You can't say no to me, Kev.
I've already said no.
You owe me.
I owe you nothing, Sophia.
Yes, you do. You wouldn't want me to tell Karen about your little escapade with Bethany, would you?
So you're going to blackmail me into babysitting for you now?
I'm a smart person. I use my brain to get what I want.
Fine. I'll watch over the boy.
Thank you.
Well, you need to get a babysitter,
Sophia.
I just discovered Michael is
What?
cheating.
Stop. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
He's cheating on me with his former secretary. God, I wish I had trusted my intuition. Oh God.
I'm sorry.
Oh God. It hurts so much. I never thought something could hurt so bad. I feel like my heart is being pierced with a knife and I'm afraid I might just die.
Listen. You would never die because of a broken heart, okay? Babe, listen to me. You would never die because of a broken heart. I know it won't be easy. You would cry. And sometimes you would wish your tears could turn into blood so that he could see how bad it hurt you. But you wake up one morning and realize that no man is worth your tears. And the one who is would never ever make you cry. Okay, stop.
Oh God, I want to die. I want to die.
Stop.
I'll die. I'll die. I'll die. My God has killed me. He's killed me.
Stop talking like that. Stop. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh my God.
Honey, what's this?
My resignation letter.
Baby, why are you resigning?
Nothing.
Did I do something wrong?
I didn't do anything. Please don't touch me.
Sophia, what's the matter?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright. If you say so.
Okay, I can agree with that. That reminds me, what about Sophia? I haven't seen her around. What's up? Where is she?
Sophia resigned.
Hmm?
Yeah, you heard me right.
She did. That's so great. I mean, I feel like breakdancing right now, you know. So I guess I'll be re-employing Bethany.
Calvin, we're not re-employing anyone Sophia fired. Get another secretary.
Oh, come on, man. Sophia doesn't work here anymore. Come on.
It doesn't matter, though. You still have to respect your decision.
Michael. Fine, no problem.
Fuck you, Calvin.
What about the conference call? Should I?
You need to call.
With Nature.
I'm so angry, I can't focus, and my head hurts so badly.
Oh my God. Sophia, you need to confront the cheat. You can't just keep quiet about this. No way. You need to let him know that he's a cheating bastard. God, this man.
I don't want to confront him. I might get so mad and lose my head. God, I can't even look at him. It disgusts me.
Girl, get it off. Get it off your chest. You will never heal if you don't. And besides, Michael is your husband. It's not like you're going to leave him if you know you cheated anyways.
I know, but I don't think I have the capacity to forgive him.
You're very strong, babe. And I know that you're going to get through this. Okay? Myself, I've reached a decision concerning Kelvin.
What do you want to do?
I'm done wasting my time with him.
You've made the right decision. I'm proud of you.
Just take care of yourself, okay? And don't work yourself out.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Cheated on Sophia, really? And this man.
Hey, baby. Baby, where you going? Why did you pack all your stuff? What's happening?
Duh, I'm leaving.
You're leaving?
Kelvin, I am done letting you deceive me. I'm done wasting my time with you. It's over. We are over.
Baby, please wait. Please.
Okay. Lie to me. Lie to me again, Kelvin. Go ahead. I'm listening.
Baby, please don't leave me. Please. I love you.
God. Baby, please don't leave me. I love you. Kev, that is old. Okay? I'm tired of hearing that. This that we had is done. We are over.
Come on, baby. You can't possibly
Leave me alone!
Babe, please.
Yes, definitely, most definitely. We're on top of things, I can assure you that. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, sure, if you say so.
I saw you.
Yes. I'm going to have to call you back shortly. All right. You saw me? What are you talking about, babe?
Talking about Tricia. I followed you. I followed you to that hotel.
Sophia, it is not what you think.
Michael! I am not brain dead! You were my world, my friend, my only lover, my everything. I tried, Michael. I tried to be a good wife for you. I tried to make you happy. I quit my job. I took employment at your company just to protect what's mine. God, I almost had a nervous breakdown. But you know what I realized? You don't need to protect something if it's rightfully yours.
Sophia, listen to me, Sophia. I did not cheat on you. I would never cheat on you.
Stop lying! Stop lying! Stop freaking lying!
Sophia, get a grip on yourself. Stop it. Stop it, okay? Stop it. Stop it.
You hurt me so bad, Michael! You cheated and it hurts! It really hurts! I am crushed! I am angry!
Sophia.
I'm sad! I am so hurt!
Sophia, listen to me, okay? I did not hurt you. I did not do anything. You have to believe me. See, after you fired Tricia, she couldn't get any job anywhere else, okay? So she called me and begged me to talk to some people on her behalf, all right? She has an ailing mother. An ailing mother. I couldn't say no. The hotel where you saw us at belongs to an old client. I got her a job there.
You are a freaking liar!
No, I'm not.
I don't believe anything you say.
You don't believe me? Damn.
Before you throw me out, I just want to tell you that I am not having an affair with your husband.
Did Michael send you here to tell me that? Well,
Go tell him that you have failed.
My father was a chronic cheater and a liar. He lied constantly to my mother. She was so heartbroken. My father cheated on my mother with everything that was Kurt. Even my mother's best friend. My mother was so heartbroken, she almost died. She cried herself to sleep every night. It was so painful watching my mother suffer because of my shameless father. I will never get involved with a married man. I have worked for your husband for 2 years. He's a gentleman. He loves you. He would never cheat on you. My God is a good man.
Hey.
Trisha was here.
What does she want?
I should have believed you when you said you were not involved with her. I am so sorry. Do you think you can ever forgive me?
It's okay, babe. You don't have to apologize. I'm not mad at you. And even if I was, you know I can't stay mad at you for long.
Thank you.
Listen, babe, I want you to know this. I'll never hurt you, okay? I love you.
I love you more.